Oh gosh, because he has excellent downward transition, does he not? Whoa, voice position. Don't just pull harder. Ah! But remember, you do that beautifully. You can do it. And as you're cantering down the line, you don't have to lean back and pull. But don't kind of do this. Whoa. That's all right. Again, the lower leg slip back a little bit. That's getting warmer though. Keep cantering. There you go. Oh, lost the balance there. Good girl. Athena, make a giant circle. Oh, go ahead and cut across the diagonal. Let's organize. Even right there. Where's your lower leg going? Right. And cantering into the whole thing again.
Beat it.
You're getting it. But he's not skull horsed up enough yet that he's going to ask you if you meant to squeeze or if you meant him to go. He's just going to do it. Easy. Holy cow. Good girl. Don't let your reins get long. Stay the
Face.
Whoa. Good girl. Where's his balance? Good girl. That was a little long.